So, what was the biggest struggles or limitations that you experienced before your hip replacement?
There was pain, a lot of pain, and it made me prefer to just sit because there was no pain when I sat. And uh, I ate the same, so therefore I gained weight. And too much.
So, it increased your level of inactivity, which then probably led to more pain. And then you're in a cycle or loop. Okay. Was there a moment you realized something had to change where you felt like, I can't keep living like this?
Oh, yes. Yeah. It felt almost depressed
Okay.
because I just got so down that I couldn't have a normal life, couldn't keep up, couldn't do anything with the grandkids. Yep. It had to change.
And once it affects your daily life and like your grandkids and those things like that, it's a lot more of a thing. All right, how was your daily life impacted physically and emotionally by your hip pain?
Yeah, I just didn't want to do anything.
Uh,
I couldn't, not that I read a lot with the grandkids, but I couldn't really do much with them at all. They just kept saying, take me out. And more, if I picked anybody up, it was more pain. So I couldn't do that. I had to say, I can't. Why? So they're all sad about it. But yeah, it was just, I was just sad that I couldn't do what I used to do. And I had it.
I get it. All right, thank you.